Hey guys, RealMcCoy411 and welcome back to my channel. You know I told you that I'm going to master the perm rods. So we're going in again with a perm rod set. This time I'm going to do my whole head and I'm going to divide and separate my curls even more. So I am going to be going in with the Cream of Nature, their mousse. I'm about to go and shampoo and condition my hair. And the leave-in conditioner is going to be the one you shake. Yes, the one you shake, baby. So let's get ready. because I don't know what to do with the back of my hair. I feel like just going ahead and doing what I did before and putting up a ponytail. But I'm like, I did that before, but the only thing is I don't want my whole head to be in a perm set. A perm rod set. I don't want my whole head to be in one because I know the humidity is going to beat it down. It's gonna beat it down. And I got this much left. And this little piece right here. And I'm using, if you notice, I'm using the leave-in conditioner as my moisturizer. I just don't know what I want to do with this back part. Do I keep going, do the whole head, do something with it? Oh, I hate choices. I hate choices. Goodness gracious. What I think I'm going to do with it is have it going down in the back, and it'll be like a, I'm gonna show you how. I'm not gonna twist it in the back or anything. I'm gonna put some mousse on here, some foam, and I'm gonna grab these orange ones since they're the biggest, and just have it set towards like the end and have a, you know, a just hang down effect. Because I already know by the end of the day, no, I'm not going to do that. Because by the end of the day, that's going to be in a ponytail. That's going to be in a ponytail. And I already know that. So I'm going to connect these two pieces and put them up in a puff, but this time I'm going to leave it in a puff. I'm not going to add no perm rods or nothing. I'm not bringing it towards the top. I'm not doing any of that. It's just going to be a puff. Just a puff. Just a single puff. Well, I could do two puffs. No, don't do two puffs. That won't look right. Yes, I talk to myself. Who's asking? So I'm just going to leave this just in a single puff all by itself. Or I may even put it in a little bun. I don't know. But I know I'm not going to put perm rods back there. Because if I put perm rods back there, it's going to be down on my neck. And it's going to be hot. And it's going to end up in a ponytail. And that's going to be wasted time. Not going to do it. Going to take down the front. The front going to be fly. The back going to be fly. I'll think of something else. I'll put on some eyeshadow. That's what I do. I'll put on some eyeshadow to make up for the rest of it. Yeah, you can do. You didn't know you couldn't do that? You didn't know you could do that, child. Where you lack in one area, you pick it up in the next area. Hello. I'll put on some eyeshadow tomorrow. And the foundation. And the foundation. Wait for me. Wait for me. I like using this mousse though. My hair is really gonna be dry in the next 2 hours. But I don't have nowhere to go until tomorrow. So I'll be sleeping like this. Yes, I will. Alright, I'll see you guys at the takedown, and I'll do all that extra stuff that I said I was going to do just because I ain't doing nothing with the back. I just, maybe something will come to me and I'll come back and film it. I don't know, but right now there's nothing coming, nothing knocking at the door. Nothing knocking at the door, nothing trying to let the window up. No ideas coming in. I'll see y'all at the takedown, maybe. Or if I come up with something, I'll come back. Alright. Okay, so what I decided to do is to do a twist and curl in the back so that the back can hang down. That's what I decided to do. Woo, woo, woo. Woo, 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 woo. I did not feel right doing a similar hairstyle than the one I had just did. So I'm doing a twist and curl in the back and a full long perm rod set in the front. Okay, 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 okay. Good morning to you. Good morning, guys. Ain't nothing like it. Ain't nothing like it in the morning times, and sometimes in the evening. A good cup of coffee. Good cup of coffee. Lord. you guys think. We went through the process. We put up the perm rods. We used Cream of Nature. Everything went smooth. I twisted the back, which I hope I didn't miss any of the twists. Because I twisted the back and then I put the perm rods on the end just to give it that same curl effect that I got going on in the front. So hopefully all is intact. Give me your opinion. If you suggest that I do something else, suggest it down in the comment section. Remember, I'm a beginner with the perm rods. Beginner. And I'm only trying to get better. So tell me what you guys think. If you're new, go ahead and subscribe. Click on the notification bell. That little red button, that notification bell. Click it, and then select all. If you're already one of my subscribers, you know you can be real with me. Tell me what you think. Tell me what you think. Do you think I can get away with rocking a perm rod set? Let me know. Let me know. Y'all keep God first in everything you do, and I do mean everything. I'm out. I'm walking out the house just like this. So I hope it's good. Y'all didn't tell me nothing different. Alright, bye.